Make yourself heard. Mastering the art of effective communication. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a very powerful phrase, make yourself heard. Understanding and using this phrase can significantly enhance your communication skills. So, let's break it down together and see how you can apply it in your daily conversations and presentations. Stay tuned to master the art of making yourself heard. Make yourself heard is a phrase that goes beyond its literal meaning. At its core, it's an encouragement or advice to speak up confidently and ensure that your voice, opinions, or ideas are noticed and understood by others. It's particularly relevant in situations where expressing your thoughts clearly and assertively can make a significant difference. Making yourself heard is crucial in various aspects of life, including personal relationships, education, and the workplace. It's about asserting your presence and ensuring that your contributions are recognized and valued. This phrase embodies the importance of self-expression and active participation in discussions, meetings, or any form of communication. Here are some practical tips to help you make yourself heard effectively. 1. Speak clearly and confidently. Practice speaking at a pace that's easy to follow, and articulate your words clearly. Confidence in your voice makes people more inclined to listen. 2. Use body language to your advantage. Non-verbal cues like eye contact and gestures can reinforce your message and help capture attention. 3. Be concise and to the point. People appreciate concise communication. Try to express your ideas clearly and without unnecessary elaboration. 4. Listen actively. Being a good listener can actually help you to be heard. It shows respect for others' opinions and encourages them to reciprocate. 5. Adapt your message for your audience. Tailor your message to suit the understanding and expectations of your audience. This makes your communication more effective. To make this phrase more concrete, let's look at a couple of examples. In a meeting, rather than saying, "I think we should consider other options," you could assertively say, "I strongly believe we need to explore alternative options to ensure the success of our project." Let's discuss this further. In a classroom setting, instead of hesitantly asking a question, you could say, "I would like some clarification on this topic. Can you please explain it a bit more?" These examples illustrate how you can make yourself heard by being more direct, clear, and assertive in your communication. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helps you understand the power of the phrase, make yourself heard, and encourages you to apply these insights in your daily interactions. Remember, effective communication is key to making an impact. So, take these tips, practice regularly, and make your voice heard. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more language learning tips. See you in the next video.